Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelechi Agostinokori, and I know it's been long. I uploaded a tutorial, but today I'm going to be showing you something new. Some of you might have seen it before, but for others, this might be your first time hearing or seeing about this particular feature. So Canva rolled it out some time ago, but I just got to try it out recently and it's really amazing. I was wowed with what I came up with. Without wasting much time, let me just show you how to do it. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create a design and then go to custom size. I'm going to select 3000 by 3000. If you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please you can do that now. So this is a blank page. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'll go to apps. You can find this particular feature or tool in apps section. Now go over to, it's not mockup, it's not SharePoint, it's not chat, not text to image, which is actually a very cool feature, but it is not Bitmoji either. It is actually DIDAI presenter. So I'm going to click on this and wait for it to bring out all the amazing stuff it has. Now this is it. We have so many presenters that you can select from. We have so many, the more than 10. So whichever one works best for you, you can select, or you can upload your own picture or the picture of anybody that you would like to use for this particular activity. So this is the images. You can also put in whatever you want the presenter to say. Let me check if I still, okay, so I have mine saved here. Hopefully it's still here on the Google Notes. So this is, I'm going to select everything and copy it, go over to this place, then I'm going to paste this here. So this, it simply reads, hello, my name is Kalechi Agostinokori, and I'm a creative Canva designer who has worked for countless agencies. You can actually change this to numerous agencies, helping them scale their business by creating attractive graphics. I create unique templates, social media graphics, animations, and so much more. I also design beautiful web pages and edit simple videos. Would you like to work with me? Then send me a message. So this is our text right here. Now you can choose any language you want. It's actually English Nigeria, which I tried out, but it had just two characters, two options. So let's stick with English United States. Then you can choose the voices of anybody you want to from these options. We have Jenny, multilingual, Jenny, Guy, Aria, Davis, Amber, Anna, Ashley, Brandon, Christopher, Cora, Elizabeth, Eric, Jacob, Jane, Jason, Michelle, Monica, Nancy, Roger, Sarah, Stefan, and Tony. So I'm going to be selecting Stefan for this. Then, like I said, you can upload your own photos by just clicking on upload, and it's going to take you to your file manager where you can select the image that you want to use. But we're not using any image here because I already uploaded it. I want to select this young man here, and then I'm going to click on generate presenter. You can actually preview the speech so you see if it's what you would want. Let's try it if it's going to. Let's just click on generate presenter. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are yet to do that. Okay, so this is a young man here. This is it.
Hello.
Let's go.
My name is Kelechi Augustine Okari, and I am creative Canva designer who has worked for countless agencies helping them scale their business by creating attractive graphics. I create unique templates, social media graphics, animations, and so much more. I also design beautiful web pages and edit simple videos. Would you like to work with me? Then send me a message.
So you can place this particular video in the frame. So I'll go over to elements and go over to frames, so you can place it inside the frame. Let me see which particular frame would work best. So let's go over to, yes, so this particular frame, need to place the video inside, bring it to the middle.
Hello? My name is Kelechi.
And you can change the background just to make it look really nice. I think there's a particular background that I start, which is this. So I'm going to select this background, place it here, then change this color to a little bit a dark gold. Make this looks a little bit lighter. Then finishing touches. So we have Canva. Change the color to this color. Trying to just make it look beautiful. Change this, take it to the back, and then apply shadow effects. So we have Canva. Reduce transparency is too much. Duplicate this. Take it to the back. Duplicate it. So we have this. Make sure it's in the middle. Reduce transparency to 15. And there you have it. So let's go again.
Augustine Okari, and I am creative Canva designer who has worked for countless agencies helping them scale their business by creating attractive graphics. I create unique templates, social media graphics, animations, and so much more. I also design beautiful web pages and edit simple videos. Would you like to work with me? Then send me a message.
So this particular AI feature, it's really amazing. It's really amazing. And I just want to show you that it's the particular frame, it works best for it's kind of like a square or a rectangular frame like this. Yes. So guys, you can play around with this.
Hello?
It just makes it fun.
My
See?
name is Kelechi Augustine Okari, and
So
I am creative
that's
Canva
all for now.
designer who
If you
has
learned
worked for countless
something
agencies.
new, please drop a comment, like this video, and it would encourage me to want to create more. I always say that maybe the reason why I've not been creating more tutorials is because I've not been that motivated. But please drop a like. You can also reach out to me, connect with me on other social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Thread, and Instagram. So for now, that's all. Thank you and see you in the next tutorial.